will speak for the motion. এটা নমস্কাৰ দিব তেতিয়া তেওঁলোকে টাইমটো হেৰি কৰিব পাৰিব সকলোকে কৈছোঁ জাষ্ট এটা নমস্কাৰ দিব তেতিয়া তেওঁলোকে টাইমটো মেনেজ কৰিব পাৰিব অ'কে
February 2020, the stock market was in a marked up phase. Families were going in vacations and people were going in the offices. But then there comes a shock in the face of COVID-19. The aftermath of COVID-19 can still be seen socially and economically. Honorable Speaker, ma'am, the CEO of Hyperride have said that currently we are in the same phase as February 2020. Only this time, our challenge is not from a virus, our challenge is from artificial intelligence. Greetings, Honorable Speaker, ma'am, and members present in this august house. The basic reason for raising today's motion is because we are in a situation, because the same people who created artificial intelligence are getting replaced by artificial intelligence itself. We are in a situation where there is an Indian university which goes in the AI summit and brings a Chinese robot and then claims its ownership. We are in a situation where there is an app which pops up in the YouTube ads, which claims that it will teach us English language in just 30 days, while the background music and the characters are AI generated. And unfortunately, we are also in a situation where there are some cringe elements which goes to Grok AI and ask them to convert a female photo for some unethical purpose. A member from the opposition bench have said that this is a fault of the human intelligence and not the artificial intelligence. I would like to say that if I give a gun to a psychopath and that psychopath kills somebody, then he is responsible. Along with that, I am also responsible because I have given the gun to him. Honorable Speaker, ma'am, a member from the opposition bench have also talked about the role of artificial intelligence in the healthcare sector. I would like to ask the same member that who will take the responsibility that the same AI is also responsible for the mental health crisis among the young adults. And speaking of mental health crisis among the young adults, the best example can be seen in today's social media, especially in the election season, where one party talks about Ahomor Bikashor ABCD and the other party talks about Notun Bor Ahom. Meanwhile, the entire algorithm is being controlled by artificial intelligence, and it shows us a reality which doesn't even exist. Ma'am, when we talk about the society, we have to talk about the future. When we talk about the future, we have to talk about the young generation. But I have seen that if we look at the top search items during the exam season, we will see that CBSE exam questions were the most searched. And this is the only reason why India is ranked 36th in global innovation ranking. But at the same time, our rank is 86th in research and development, which is lowest in the country's history. Ma'am, this is because of over-dependence on artificial intelligence and ignorance in critical thinking. And I would like to go back full circle to when I was in class 5. In computer, I used to learn a concept called garbage in, garbage out, which means if we give wrong information, we get wrong answers. Similarly, we are giving our time and resources in an unmindful and unreliable way, unregulated way to artificial intelligence, by which we won't get any kind of positive outcome. Ma'am, in the end, I would like to conclude with the words of American entrepreneur Andy Frisella, who gave us a way back in 2016 to deal with artificial intelligence. And he says, and I quote, "If you don't want to lose your job from artificial intelligence, then don't buy goods and services from companies that use artificial intelligence," unquote. And thus, I stand in support of this motion. Thank you, Honorable Speaker, ma'am. Thank you, members of this august house.